Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel once again. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to connect Shopify store to TikTok shop. So in this video, I'm going to give you a simple guide on how to connect your Shopify store to TikTok shop, and here is a simple guide on how to go about that. So the first thing you have to do is to install the TikTok app on your phone. Once you install it, then go to the Shopify app store and search for the app, which is TikTok app. Once you do that, add it as a sales channel. Once you do that, you also have to create a TikTok business account. So if you don't have one, then just simply create a new TikTok business account and connect it to your Shopify store. Once you do that, sign up the TikTok ads management, TikTok ads manager. Once you create a TikTok ads manager account and link it to your Shopify store, then choose the data sharing. Like, you have to configure your data sharing. So you have to choose the data sharing level and confirm the TikTok pixel for Shopify. Then after that, enter the company information. So which means you have to provide provide your company details and payment method. So your payment method could be PayPal or Cash App or the other important means of payment that is listed within the platform. Then after that, you have to create a video ads. So use the TikTok business or ads manager to create a video ads for your product. Then after that, you have to manage your order. So to check your order from TikTok in your Shopify dashboard, and that's how you can connect your Shopify store to TikTok shop. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more important video like this.